Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best digital projectors for artists that are available on the market. Whether you're an artist looking to enhance your creative process or just someone who loves multimedia entertainment, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the CiBest Mini Projector, the most budget-friendly option on our list, at just $41.99. Despite its low price, this projector offers surprising versatility for casual users, supporting full HD 1080p resolution and offering a display size ranging from 30 to 200 inches. The diffuse reflection technology helps protect your eyes during extended use, making it a great choice for artists who want to project images for tracing or sketching without straining their vision. Its ultra-portable design weighs just 0.52 kilograms and fits in the palm of your hand, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're hosting an outdoor art workshop or enjoying a movie night under the stars. While it lacks built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth functionality, its HDMI, USB, and AV interfaces ensure compatibility with most devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. However, if you plan to use streaming apps like Netflix or Hulu, you'll need an external device like a TV stick due to HDCP restrictions. Overall, the CiBest Mini Projector is ideal for budget-conscious artists or hobbyists who need a simple, portable solution for projecting images. Its key downsides include the lack of wireless connectivity and slightly lower resolution compared to higher-priced models. Still, for the price, it's an excellent entry-level option with impressive performance. At number 4, we have the Elephice 2024 upgraded mini projector priced at $59.99, offering a step up in features and quality. This compact projector is comparable to the size of a smartphone and comes with a tripod, making it easy to set up anywhere. Its full HD 1080p support and 8,000 lumens brightness provide vibrant, detailed images, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're an artist who needs precise projections for tracing or designing, the 24-bit true color support ensures your work looks sharp and accurate. The Elephice projector features multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and AV ports, and supports screen mirroring via devices like Chromecast, while streaming apps like Netflix and Hulu require an external TV stick due to HDCP restrictions. This projector shines in its multimedia versatility and ease of use. Built-in hi-fi speakers deliver solid audio quality, and its efficient cooling system minimizes fan noise, ensuring a distraction-free experience. While the Elephice Mini Projector offers excellent value for its price, it does lack wireless connectivity and doesn't support native 4K playback. However, its compact design, impressive brightness, and included tripod make it a great choice for artists who want a portable, reliable projector for creative projects or casual entertainment. Taking the third spot is the Vopels Mini Projector, priced at $69.99. This portable projector offers native 1080p Full HD resolution, delivering crisp and vibrant images that are perfect for artistic projects or immersive home theater experiences. Thanks to its advanced LED and uniform illumination technology, the edges of the projection remain sharp and clear, making it ideal for tracing or sketching intricate designs. The 50% zoom feature adds flexibility by allowing you to adjust the projection size without moving the device. The Vopels projector is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry to art classes or outdoor gatherings. Its built-in hi-fi stereo speakers provide excellent sound quality, while the noise reduction technology ensures a quiet operation during use. It supports a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops, though you'll need an HDMI adapter for phone connections. As with other projectors, streaming apps like Netflix and Hulu require a TV stick due to copyright restrictions. While the Vopels projector offers solid performance and versatility, its cooling system could be more efficient, and it lacks some premium features like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. Nonetheless, it's a fantastic option for artists who need a reliable, portable projector with impressive image quality and flexible projection sizes. In the runner-up position at number 2 is the TMY Mini Projector, priced at $59.99. This model offers upgraded Full HD 1080p support and includes a projector screen, making it a great value for artists and multimedia enthusiasts alike. The TMY projector is equipped with Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless audio synchronization, allowing you to connect external Bluetooth speakers or headphones for an immersive sound experience. With a maximum 220-inch display and 5,000:1 contrast ratio, this projector delivers sharp, vibrant visuals suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to carry, and the included foldable projection screen adds convenience for setting up a home theater or art studio. This projector is compatible with a wide range of devices, including TV sticks, smartphones, and laptops, though connecting iOS devices requires an official Lightning to HDMI adapter. It's worth noting that streaming apps like Hulu and Amazon Prime Video require a TV stick due to HDCP agreements. Additionally, the built-in speaker delivers decent audio quality, but using external speakers is recommended for the best experience. The TMY Mini Projector stands out for its combination of performance and affordability. While it doesn't support native 4K resolution, its upgraded features, included screen, and Bluetooth connectivity make it a top pick for artists who want a versatile projector without breaking the bank. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Caydo P1 art projector, priced at $179.99. Specifically designed with artists in mind, this premium projector comes with an exclusive drawing app that offers tools like flexible zoom, 360-degree rotation, and multiple artistic modes, including Gridify and Sketchify. Its ability to project images onto walls, easels, and other surfaces makes it a dream tool for tracing, sketching, and artistic creation. Supporting 4K video playback, the Caydo P1 delivers stunning image quality with automatic focus and keystone correction, ensuring precise and professional results. The projector features ultra-fast dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, allowing for seamless screen mirroring and audio transmission. Whether you're using it as a drawing projector or for multimedia entertainment, its compact design and fully sealed optical core prevent dust entry, ensuring long-lasting performance. The 10,000-hour lamp life means you can rely on this device for years of creative projects and home entertainment. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the Caydo P1's unique features and robust performance justify its price for serious artists and professionals. If you're an artist looking for the best tool for your craft, the Caydo P1 is undoubtedly your best bet. Its only downside is the lack of native 4K resolution for projection, but the included drawing software and advanced projection features make it worth every penny for creatives who demand precision and versatility. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.